Crawford Brewing equipment provides microbrewers functional and aesthetically pleasing equipment. Best of all, it's made in the USA. Our customers count on our quality, service, and innovation, and we handle everything from concept to completion. Our engineers, designers, and highly skilled fabricators work together to form an effective and efficient process that is second to none. We have stainless steel steam-fired brew houses, steam-heated mash tuns, brew kettles, hot liquor tanks, brewing platforms, keg washers, pumps, valves, controls, fermenters for standard or custom brewing setups. We even include installation, technical support, and startup assistance for that first batch of brew. From design to completion, you can count on Crawford Brewing. On time and within budget, we deliver.